Well, there's a secret stash inside your device that grows every single day without you asking. Stay with me because once you understand it, cleaning it up becomes very satisfying. All right, let's start with the basics. What is cache data? Cache data is basically your device saving small pieces of apps and websites so it does not have to reload them every single time. Think of it as short-term memory like RAM. To make this more clear, picture your device as a giant library. Your main storage is the whole building. It has everything, but it takes time to walk around and find exactly what you need. So your cache is the small shelf that sits on your desk. You keep the books that you use all the time right next to you, and it's faster, easier, and saves you trips across the room. So let's take a closer look at how your device actually uses that desk. Your device is great at saving things to that desk shelf, but it's not great at cleaning the desk out when those things get old and unused. Every app you open, every website you visit adds more and more to that little shelf, and none of it gets removed automatically. Old files stay there, new files pile up, some become outdated when apps update or websites change, others get corrupted or simply take up space for literally no reason. And over time, that speed boost turns into clutter. And that means that apps take longer to open, websites load the wrong version or refuse to update. When you open a website for the first time, your browser has to walk through the entire library. It downloads the logos, the layouts, the fonts, the icons, the scripts, and everything else the site needs in order to load properly. The first visit is a long walk because of that. The next time you visit the same site, it doesn't have to walk back all of those different stacks. It just grabs the logo, the layout, the icons, the fonts from that desk and puts it together a lot faster. And because of that, it only has to go out and fetch what's new, like fresh videos or updated images. And this is why some sites will feel like they load instantly on the second visit. Cache data is not a bad thing, in fact it's very much necessary, but it just needs a reset once in a while. If you like simple tech explainer videos that actually fix real problems, then be sure to hit like and subscribe to see our future videos. If you want to clean it yourself, watch our manual cleaning guide here, or if you prefer a one-click solution, you can check out our best cleaning apps review here. But as always, thank you so much for watching Safety Detectives, and we'll see you in the next video.